From effortless loading to linear processing. Function evolution, efficiency soaring. Rocut Series Coil Laser Cutting Machine. Rocut Series Coil Laser Cutting Machine now upgraded. Introducing the all-new Rocut 3 and Rocut 6. The Rocut series elevates performance to new heights. The overall processing speed has increased by 50% compared to the previous version. Loading, decoiling, leveling, cutting, and unloading. All processes are completed in one streamlined workflow, achieving seamless production. In the loading process, an overhead crane or forklift can transport coils to the hydraulic loading cart. The cart can automatically load the material, with just one operator required, achieving 50% higher loading efficiency compared to manual handling. Equipped with an automatic leveler, it ensures high precision and flatness through leveling and correcting. Meanwhile, during the roller table feeding process, the system intelligently controls the feeding length to guarantee accurate material positioning. The Rocut Series Coil Laser Cutting Machine can intelligently optimize cutting paths according to various processing needs. With one-click auto-nesting, it significantly shortens processing time. The laser head integrates a marking function, enabling unique code marking for each part, ensuring clear classification and greatly facilitating material sorting. For thin sheet cutting, the laser head instantly positions itself without height adjustments, enabling immediate penetration. The follow-up cutting feature of Rocut 6 enables the laser head to intelligently track the cutting path during the feeding process of coil material, significantly reducing idle movement and wait times. Cyclic processing, continuous operation. The dual crossbeam design allows for simultaneous cutting operations, making asynchronous processing more flexible and efficient, with delivery time shortened by 50%. Rocut Series Coil Laser Cutting Machine. It can also be paired with the lightning cutting, providing a strong engine for ultra-fast cutting, increasing cutting speed by 86%. Faster than fast. Stronger than strong. The workpiece receiving platform can automatically transport cut parts in real time, making sorting by codes easier and more convenient. But that's not enough. The built-in intelligent nesting system maximizes sheet material utilization and reduces waste. With the decoiling and leveling function, customers can save nearly 10,000 Chinese yuan in leveling costs every month, significantly improving production profitability. Various decoilers and levelers are available for the Rocut series, adapting flexibly to diverse processing scenarios and customer needs. From easy loading, decoiling, and leveling, to high-speed cutting and convenient unloading, the Rocut Series Coil Laser Cutting Machine covers the full range of coil processing steps, enabling more efficient batch production cycles. It is widely applied in industries such as furniture, doors, sheet metal fabrication, cabinets, and elevators, empowering enterprises to upgrade both quality and efficiency with a high-speed engine.
Bodor Laser Rigs #1 in global sales volume.